environmental education is hugely important for so many reasons, and I feel really blessed to be a part of the efforts. And I think why it's especially important here on the island is because we reach such a wide range of people, a wide variety of people, and just getting people here to our sanctuary, if we can expose them to natural history and the natural world and spark that interest of maybe why a certain species is important, or why a habitat is a necessity, or even how everything is so interconnected to everything else. And it gives them that knowledge, and then they're able to care or understand why it's important to care.
So the Trustees of Reservations is a nonprofit land trust. We're actually the oldest nonprofit land trust in the entire world. On Martha's Vineyard, a lot of the properties are the protected environments of coastal beach land and sandplain grasslands throughout the state. We have a wider variety with a lot of great farms, historic homes and museums.
Well, Tisbury Waterways Incorporated was started about 27 years ago here on the Vineyard in response to pollution in the harbor.
This year and next year's project is doing some salt marsh restoration work. It's actually over on property of Felix Neck, Mass Audubon. And we're also going to be looking at, with that project, we're also going to be looking at the nitrogen issues with salt marshes.
Not that long ago, we installed a stormwater system in Oak Bluffs, right on New York Avenue. And so that the tribe expended over $120,000 of funding that was appropriated to the tribe, because that water body was so important to the longevity of the island. It was an area that was very important to the island and the tribe as a place where sustenance food is.
I am a Gayhead Wampanoag Indian. I've been fishing here all my life. I went sword fishing for 20 years of my life, and I would like to have my children, my grandchildren, have as good a time fishing as I've had for all my whole life. And if we don't do these hope spots, they don't stand a chance as well as the fish. So